Do you know what you're legally required to disclose when selling a home in 2026? This is one of those things that's easy to overlook, but getting it wrong can cause real problems after closing. In this video, I'll walk you through the key disclosures sellers need to know in 2026 and why being upfront from the start can actually make the whole sale smooth. Number 1, material defects. These are issues with the home that can impact its value or even the safety of anyone living. We're talking about things like foundation cracks, plumbing problems, or faulty electrical systems. Even smaller problems like roof leaks or water damage can influence a buyer's decision. The rule of thumb is this: if it's something a buyer would want to know before making an offer, it needs to be disclosed. Being clear about these issues up front helps prevent surprises later and keeps the sale on track. Number 2, history of repairs or renovations. If you've done major work like a kitchen remodel, a new roof, or updated systems, it's important to share that with buyers. Even if a licensed contractor handled the work, buyers will want to know about the permits, warranties, and any issues that were fixed along the way. Being transparent here shows buyers exactly what they're getting and builds trust right away. It's especially important for big ticket renovations that could affect the home's value down the road. Sharing these details can make your home feel more reliable and move your sale along smoothly. And number 3, environmental hazards. Things like lead paint, radon, asbestos, or mold always need to be disclosed. In 2026, buyers are more thorough than ever, and many are even hiring environmental inspectors to check air quality and potential contamination. If you know about any environmental issues, it's crucial to be upfront, even if they seem minor. Skipping this step could lead to lawsuits or a canceled contract down the line. When in doubt, check with a real estate expert. Being safe and transparent protects you and keeps your sale on track. By sharing these must-know disclosures when selling your home in 2026, you can avoid legal headaches and make sure the entire process runs much more smoothly. It's all about protecting yourself and building trust with your buyer. If you have any questions about disclosures or selling process in general, we're here to help. Whether you're ready to sell now or just starting to think about it, we can guide you every step of the way. Reach out to us today, schedule a free strategy call. You'll get the guidance you need to maximize your sale price and ensure the sale goes as smoothly as possible.